Hi everyone, this is an autofocus test for the Nikon D5600 DSLR. So this is the Nikon D5600 camera, and I use this camera for all of my work, both still imagery and video. When doing video work, it's normally when I'm doing guitar promos at home, or occasionally, now that things are opening back up again, when I'm recording on stage with a live band with the camera set off to one side on a tripod. For anyone who's in the market and thinking of buying their first ever DSLR, if you consult a lot of different videos on YouTube, you'll find a lot of reviewers who will sing this camera's praises to the high heavens. And to give it some of its very good points, it does 14-bit RAW photography. And 14-bit RAW at this price point is just insane. It gives you so much space to push and pull colour in post-edit work and really make some beautiful, beautiful still images. The internal audio on this camera is also, I think, second to none for any competitor product within this price bracket. I'm recording this video, I haven't got an external mic, I'm just using the two inbuilt stereo microphones left and right, and they do a great job. And also, with the use of the Nikon Snapbridge application, sharing pictures and video between the camera and phone or tablet is just made so much easier. Then after that, for singing all the praises of this camera, they will always pick it up on the same thing, and it's full-time autofocus. Now, full-time autofocus in still imagery is a perfect 10. When it comes to video, it's a slight different story. So, the technology behind the full-time autofocus in video mode, you have 39 autofocus points and 9 of them are cross-typed. And at the moment, I have the camera set up in full-time autofocus, and what you can't see but what I can see on the screen is that it has a green box which is tracking my face, and the camera itself is in fully automatic mode, and settings that are currently up, the speed is 1/60, the aperture is f4, and the ISO is fluctuating between 400 and 500. So what I'm going to do is just a couple of tests of covering the lens, moving back and forward, and just so you can see how the camera does in full-time autofocus. So let's start with covering the lens. So there you have it guys, that was an autofocus test on the Nikon D5600 DSLR. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can see this camera in action when I've used it to record myself doing live guitar videos, and I hope you found this video informative. Take care.